This is such a hearty and down-home cooking meal. I'm Tess, and today I'm cooking Southern Cajun fried cabbage and sausage. Stay tuned. Cabbage is so affordable, and you can make a hearty, good meal along with a few other ingredients. In my skillet on medium heat, I'm adding in a couple tablespoons of oil and 2 strips of bacon. I added the oil because I'm using beef bacon and it is lean. Adding in 1 pound of smoked beef sausage, and you can use any smoked sausage that you like. Cooking and stirring for 5 to 7 minutes or until the bacon is crispy and the sausage browned, and then removing from the pan. I still have my heat on medium, and I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of butter and 1 large diced sweet onion and a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Cooking and stirring for a couple minutes. And this is 4 to 5 cups of cabbage. It looks like a lot, and it is, but the cabbage will cook down and reduce in size. Give the cabbage and onions a good toss, cover, and cook for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and giving the cabbage a toss. As you can see, the cabbage released some moisture and is deglazing the pan. The cabbage is also reduced in size and is much easier to stir. For the seasonings, I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning, and you can use your favorite brand. A sprinkle more of black pepper, and I love the taste of black pepper and cabbage together. A 1/4 teaspoon each of granulated garlic and granulated onion. And for a little more flavor and color, I'm adding in 1 diced red bell pepper. Giving everything a good toss. Turning my heat down to a low medium, which is around a 4 on my stove. Covering and cooking for another 4 to 5 minutes or until the cabbage and red peppers are tender. Everybody has their likeness to how tender they like the cabbage. Some like it fall apart tender and some like it a little crunchy. We like it somewhere in between. Once the 5 minutes is up, I'm removing the lid and letting it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes or until most of the liquid on the bottom is absorbed. Giving the cabbage a toss and tasting for seasonings. I'm adding in another teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. The bacon and sausage is going back into the pan and giving everything a toss. Letting that cook for another couple minutes so the flavors marry together, and we are ready to eat. Now that is a plate of goodness for the dinner table right there. This Southern Cajun cabbage and sausage dinners stick to your ribs good. Serve with a dinner roll or cornbread. I hope you give this Southern Cajun cabbage and sausage recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.